Hello, class 5. So, we have been studying chapter number 11, the sun, moon, and earth. Yes. So, in previous class, we studied about eclipse, solar eclipse, and lunar eclipse, and we have already completed study about the sun, moon, and eight planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Yes, um, comets, space rocks. Dot planet. Okay, let's revise within 5 minutes. Let's revise within 5 minutes. Then we will study. I will mm, explain. I will give you a knowledge about some planets. Okay, not about all planets. Okay, we will study only about some planets, like we will study about the Mars, Saturn, okay, Earth. Earth is given in your book, okay. Mars, Saturn, these topics are not given in your book, but we will just for your knowledge. I'm going to tell. But before it, let's talk about the sun. So the what is the scientific name of the sun? Sol, and it contains 98% of all the rocks, dust, gas in solar system. Yes, and if it is hollow, then millions Earth can fit inside it. It is act as a giant agent. The sun surface actually has a 6 degree Celsius temperature. Yes, am I right? And the sun is actually considered as the center part. Yes, the sun is actually um, considered as a center part, and moon, we know mm, about the moon, that moon has different phases. Moon shape changes, it rotate also and revolve also, and it complete its a revolution and rotation in 27.3 days. Yes, um, and because the moon revolve around the earth and rotate at the same rate, this is why we always see the same side of the moon. Yes, the moon seems to shine because it reflect the sunlight. Yes, and we know there are different phases of the moon. Yes, first phase is new moon. What is new moon? When the moon is between earth and sun, and that time we cannot see the moon. That phase is called new moon. After new moon we see the waxing crescent. Yes, waxing crescent means right side of the moon become visible, okay, which is actually look like thin slice. Then after 6 to 7 days we see the half moon, which is called first quarter. Then we after a few more days later we see more than half of the moon, which is called waxing gibbous. Yes, then after on the 15th day we see the full moon, which is actually when all the moon surface facing earth and it is lighting up. Yes, when all the moon surface facing earth is lit up and it's visible, that is actually a full moon. Yes, waning gibbous actually start after the full moon, when more than half of the lighted side is still visible. Okay, then waning gibbous actually just after the full moon, after 1 or 2 days. Okay, you can see when the size of the moon is decreasing. Then after some days the size decrease and the moon, you will see only half part, which is actually left half of the moon is visible, right half is darkness. That is called third quarter or last quarter. Then after some days we see only a thin slice like structure, which is called waning crescent. Okay, only a silver of the left side is visible. Okay, last visible slice before the new moon. Okay, then we see again the new moon. Okay, this happens with it. Okay, now let's talk about something more about moon. Okay, let's study something more about moon in detail. let's talk about the surface of the moon. Yes, how does the surface of the moon look like? Let's move on the next point. Okay, kids. So now let's talk about the surface of the moon. Okay. So on the moon, there are many craters. Yes, on the moon there are many craters. So, what is the meaning of craters? Craters means not that you blast during the Diwali. Yes, that are not. See, craters. Sorry, craters, not cracker. Okay, craters. Craters. Okay, sorry, my mistake. Craters. Okay, so there are many craters. Craters means the depression. Yes, which are present on the surface of the moon. Actually, these depressions are formed due to meteoroids. Yes, these are formed due to meteorites, asteroid, comets. Because of them, they are formed. Yes, craters are formed because of them. So there are many craters present on the surface of the moon. Okay, um, and cracks in the moon's crust caused lava to fill large craters forming maria or dark plate areas. Yes, so actually, on the moon surface there are many cracks present. Yes, on the crust of the moon, there are many cracks present, craters present. So in those lava, if the lava will if the lava feels, then it form a structure which is called maria. Okay, maria. And highlands are area on the moon of light colored crust. Okay, and on the mm, uh, surface of the moon, igneous maria rocks are present. Yes, which are actually 3 to 5 billion year old. Yes, which actually indicate that craters are formed after the surface cooled. Yes, because when the lava field inside these craters, then they become cool and they convert into rock, which is actually igneous rock. Okay, you might have studied about the igneous maria rock. Okay, so igneous rock, so igneous maria rock actually are formed 3 to 4 billion year ago. So they actually indicate that craters formed on the surface when it cooled. Okay. And the dirt which is present on the lunar means moon, which is called regolith. Yes, the dirt actually means rock particle and dust. Okay, so rock particle and dust which are present on the lunar, which are actually called uh, regolith. Okay, this is not actually a soil. Okay, actually, the soil contains water, organic matter, but this is not a soil. Why? Because it has only rock particle and dust. So this is called regolith. Okay, and igneous rocks are present, which shows the craters actually indicate formed when the lava got cool, and these craters crack filled with lava. They form a structure which is called maria. After it forms igneous maria rock. Okay, and the craters are actually the high depression. Okay, data from the monoquakes suggests that under the moon crust might lie a solid mantle, then a partially molten mantle and a solid iron-rich core. Okay, the moon formed 4.6 billion year ago. Yes, the moon was formed 4.6 billion year ago, from earth material thrown off when a large object collide with earth. Yes. Mm. It is a theory. Yes, how did the moon form? And actually, the moon formed 4.6 billion year ago from earth material. Yes, the material of the earth formed the moon when they thrown off when a large object collide with earth. Yes, when large object collide with earth, then the material of the earth thrown off and moon was formed. In this way moon was formed. Okay, now let's see some data related to moon. Okay, so let's move on the next point. Okay, so data, moon related data, you can see so what is the temperature of the moon during the day? The temperature of the moon during the day, the average temperature I have written 214 degree Fahrenheit. Yes, this is the temperature. 214 degree Fahrenheit is the temperature of the moon. Okay, and if I talk about the temperature at night, the night temperature is minus 300 degree Fahrenheit. Yes, minus 300 degree Fahrenheit. So it indicates that the temperature of the moon during the day is very 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 hot. Yes, during the day the temperature is too high. Yes, but at the day, at the night time, the temperature is so low, in minus, it can go in minus, negative. So if you will go on the moon, you will convert into kulfi. Yes, so it's temperature at night is, and you already know what is gravity. If you don't know, let me tell you, gravity is a force which attract the object towards each other. Okay, so if I talk about the gravity of the moon, the gravity of the moon is 6 times lighter than the earth. Yes, the gravity of the moon is 6 times lighter than the earth. Yes, actually, um, due to gravity our weight changes. Yes, on suppose if your weight on the if your weight suppose if your weight on the earth, if your weight on the earth is 60 kg, if your weight is 60, if your weight on the earth is 60, then your weight on the moon will be 8 point something. Yes, your weight will become so low on the moon because the gravity of the moon is very low. Okay, the moon has no atmosphere. Yes, it has no atmosphere, means no air is present. Yes, there, so it always black in there. Yes, think, if suppose if air is not present, the layer of air, then what will happen? Yes, you cannot breathe. That's why the astronauts that go in the space in this on the moon, they actually has oxygen mask. Okay, and if I talk about the diameter of the moon, you can see 2160 mile. Yeah, that is the diameter of moon, 2160 mile. Yes, the moon's average daytime temperature is 214 degree Fahrenheit, at the night minus 300 degree Fahrenheit. Its gravity is 6 times lighter than earth gravity, and the moon has no atmosphere. Okay, the gravity of the moon is I think 1 point something 6 I think, and the gravity of the earth is 9.8, almost 10. Okay, so it was all about moon. Okay, remember the moon has many depression. Okay, or depressions are called craters. They are formed from the meteorites, asteroid and comet. Okay, cracks in the moon crust cause lava to fill large craters, forming maria, or you can say dark plate areas. And highlands are area on the moon of the light colored crust. And on the moon actually, there are many mountains which are bigger than, larger in size than Mount Abu, and they are Mount Everest. Okay, igneous Maria rock are found there. They are formed 3 to 5 billion year ago, indicating craters formed after the surface cooled. Okay, lunar dirt is called regolith. Yes, lunar dirt is called regolith, which is actually rock particles and dust. Okay, this is not soil because it contains no water and organic. Okay, now let's talk about some planets. Okay, so let's talk about the Mars. Let's move on the next point. Okay, so planet Mars. So Mars planet is also called red planet. Yes, Mars planet is also called red planet. Okay, you no need to learn this one. Okay, just for your knowledge. Okay, planet, about the planet Mars, nothing is given in your book. This is for just for your extra knowledge. Okay, you no need to learn anything about it. Okay, so Mars planet, actually it is the fourth planet. Okay, first planet is Mercury, second is Venus, third is Earth, fourth is Mars. Okay, Mars is actually a neighborhood planet of Earth. Okay, it is called red planet. Okay, fourth planet, and is smaller than Earth. Yes, it's smaller than Earth. And because why do we call it red planet? Why do we call it red planet? Because in the Mars planet, in the it is actually rocky, dusty, and dry. But it contains in the soil of the Mars planet, red iron is present. That's why it looks like red. That's why we call it red planet. Okay, it contains red iron. Okay, and it also has ice caps, polar ice caps. Yes, that's why people, the scientists, astronaut are searching that maybe we can find life on the Mars. Okay, on the Mars, 1 year is actually equal to 687 Earth days. Yes, 1 year is actually equal to 687 Earth days, and 1 day is actually equal to 24 Earth hour. Yes, and 37 minutes. Only just 37 minutes extra. Otherwise, 1 day is equal to 24 Earth hour day. But 1 year is actually 687 Earth days. Means mm, just double of 365 around. Okay, means 800 you can imagine. And temperature is very cold. Yes, minus 214 degree to minus 5 degrees Celsius. This temperature is possible on the planet Mars, so it is very cold. Okay, temperature. Okay, and there are two moons are on the Mars. Yes, they are called Phobos and Deimos. Okay, Phobos and Deimos. Phobos, Deimos. What a great name. Yes. Okay, and it is a terrestrial planet, means it has a solid surface. Okay, and the ice caps also found. Mars has polar ice caps. Okay, just like Earth, red iron is present in the soil. Temperature is minus 5 to minus 214 degree. And Phobos, Deimos, two moons are present, but on the Earth only one moon is present. Yes, it is smaller than. Okay, now kids, let's talk about the Saturn planet. So let's move on the next point. Okay, so as you can see the picture of the Saturn, yes, Sunny in Hindi we say Shani. Saturn's planet. This planet is, you can see the picture. Yes, circular structure around this planet. These are actually ring-like structure. So that's why this Saturn planet is called ringed planet. Yes, ringed planet is also called, and it is the sixth planet. Yes, first planet is Mercury, then Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, then Saturn. Yes, okay. Jupiter is the biggest planet. Saturn is the second largest planet. Okay, Saturn is the second largest planet, but it is actually very light. It is actually very light. It is not heavy. Yes, if we imagine it will just like a small ball, then it can float in the water also. Yes, okay. Actually it has a ring around the planet. As you can see, there are many rings. Actually, around 7 rings are present. All these rings are actually made up of rocks, dust, and ice. All these rings are made of rocks, dust, and ice. Okay, and it is actually a gas planet. Yes, it is actually a gas planet, so it's difficult to reach on the surface of the Saturn planet. Okay, and and as I explained about the Mars, that on the Mars 1 day is equal to 24 hours 37 minutes, but on the Saturn 1 day is equal to just 10 hours 39 minutes. Yes, 10 hours 39 minutes. Okay, and temperature temperature, it's very cold. Yes, minus 178 degrees Celsius. Yes, okay. And how many moons are present on the Saturn? Around 52 moons are present. Okay, And the largest moon on the Saturn is Titan. Yes, Titan is the largest moon on the Saturn, and on the planet two moon are on the Mars planet two moon are present, Phobos and Deimos. Okay, I hope you understood. Now let's move on the next point. Okay, it's time to ask question from you. Question number one: write a short note on the moon. Yes. So um, the surface of the moon is dusty and dry, and the lunar dirt is actually called regolith. Yes, so on the moon surface, igneous Maria rocks are found. They actually 3 to 4 billion year old. They indicate that craters formed after the surface cooled. The average daytime temperature of the moon is 214 degree Fahrenheit, and the average nighttime temperature is minus 300 degree Fahrenheit. The moon's gravity is 6 times lighter than the earth. The moon has no atmosphere, so it is always black there. Moon diameter is 2160 mile. Okay, that is the diameter. And question number two: what are craters? What are craters? The craters are actually deep depression formed on the surface of the moon. Yes, the depressions formed on the surface of the moon due to meteorites, asteroids, and comets are called uh, craters. Okay, these craters and cracks are actually when they fill with large larva, they form a Maria. Then later it forms into rock, which is called igneous Maria rock. Question number 3. Question number 3 is write the name of moon of Mars planet. Yes, which are the moon of the Mars planet? Well, there are two moon of Mars planet, Phobos and Deimos. Okay, Deimos, Phobos and Deimos. And on the Saturn, there are many moons present. Okay, more than 51. Question number 4. Why is Mars called red planet? Yes, why do we call Mars red planet? We call Mars is rocky, dusty and dry. But we call it red planet because red iron is present in soil of the Mars. Okay, that's why it is called red planet. Question number 5. Why is Saturn planet called ring planet? Yes, why do we call it? Well, there are rings present around in the circular shape around the Saturn. 7 rings are present around, which are actually made up of rocks, dust, ice. That's why it is called ring planet, and it is a gas planet. Okay, and it is the second largest planet, but Mars planet is smaller than the Earth. Okay, because, I hope you understood. Okay, in next class we will complete this chapter. Okay, we will finish it, then we will begin chapter number 12. Till then, do study, take care, because the school has not opened for you. I don't know when will school open for you. The school will just open for the higher classes. Okay, we'll meet in next class. Till then, bye bye.